Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Navi's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Identity English Version School, Barakshit. Today, I am going to take an English class for class junior students. Our today's topic, Buzzword book, Unit 8, Reading. So let's see our today's topic, my dear students. Class Junior 1, Subject English, Topic Buzzword, Unit 8, Reading, Term Annual, Lecture 19, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, now open this book, New Success with Buzzword, Communicative English for Schools, Primer 2, and go to Unit 8, page number 58. Okay, so our room in my house. This is our today's unit, our room in my house. Listen and talk. Listen to your teacher. Take part in the conversations. In the room, what can you see? You can see a lot of arrangements, fan, window, TV, door, table, chair, sofa. Okay, there is a dog, there is a vase there. Okay, let's go to the next page, page number 59. So books on a bookshelf. There are books on a bookshelf. A clock on the wall. So a clock on the wall. A vase on a table. This is a vase on a table. Flower in the vase. Sorry, this is not vase, this will be vase. Flowers in the vase. A TV on a stand. A TV on a stand. A dog under the table. A dog is under the table. We're moving the next page. There is a clock on the wall. You can see there is a dog under the table. There is a vase on the table. Okay, one means over. So next one is page number 61. There are flowers in the vase. So we can see in the vase there are flowers. There are books on the bookshelf. There are books on the bookshelf. So we're moving the next page. 64. Push and pull. A book. This is a book. A cook. This is a cook, and the cook is cooking dishes. This is a foot. Push. So the man is pushing the car. Pull. The girl is pulling. This is like a train, toy train, and this is a bull. Okay, let's read the word. Book, cook, look, good, wood, foot, full, bull, pull, push, put. Okay, my dear students. So this is our today's lesson, Buzzword Unit 8 discussion. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.